Did you know that the new and improved DJI Mavic 3 has a flight range of 44 minutes? Its fantastic camera now has a 28x zoom. It appears to make no buzzing sound to the people below when it flies past 20 to 30 meters. What more can we say? Let us give you 5 reasons to choose DJI Mavic 3 in 2022. Number 5. Extended time flight. DJI re-engineered the motors to achieve this efficiency. Meanwhile, the new engines have made the body of the drone lighter.
All motor, no weight.
Also, there is more power in the energy-dense, rear-loading batteries. They also made the body, arms, and camera module more aerodynamic, according to the DJI website. Wind tunnel testing shows Mavic 3 produces 35% less drag than previous generations, allowing faster top speeds. All of these engineering feats channel an extended flight. DJI Mavic 3 features a significant improvement in flight time. All things being equal, you can keep your Mavic 3 in the air for up to 44 minutes. While we enjoy the quality of time flight, it is exciting to know that the flight will make no noise. When the DJI Mavic 3 goes up 20 to 30 meters, nobody appears to hear it anymore. We will present more on this exciting new feature shortly. Number 4. Omnidirectional sensing. DJI has added more sensors to this drone and repositioned them. The 2 sensors above the camera are now 4 to 5 degrees angled to provide additional coverage of objects off to the side. Similarly, the 2 sensors on the rear are positioned 4 to 5 degrees angled to maximize coverage. In addition, there are 2 sensors on the top and downward facing. Collectively, these 8 sensors help the Mavic 3 drone sense objects up to 200 meters away and provides all-around protection that will give far more significant obstacle avoidance. The DJI Mavic 3 obstacle avoidance test and tracking front videos have been tremendous, except for the sports mode, which requires a little more work. Number 3. Quiet. Every DJI Mavic 3 tutorial shows that the props and engines on this machine are quiet. Although it is not whisper quiet, it remains significantly quieter than many drones. The engineering makes it less of a nuisance about 20 to 30 meters into the sky. Why don't you buy one and fly it in front of the neighbor who constantly complains about the noise from your drones? When he comments on how silent it got, tell him he is probably losing his hearing.
Get your hearing checked.
The engineering around secondary functions does not stop DJI from massively improving the primary features. We are talking 5.1K at 50 frames per second and 12-bit RAW format. There is more to share with you in a bit. Number 2. Zooming capabilities. Before we tell you about the incredible zooming properties, consider zooming into the subscribe button and hit it now. You can hit the bell icon while you are there. Now DJI Mavic 3 has a 28x zoom. This is a hybrid zoom, combining 7x optical with 4x digital. The days of single, wide-angle lenses are over. Now you can zoom into a remarkable degree. Honestly, the digital tears things up when you push it all the way. However, it is still astonishing. When you reach the 28x mark, the digital zoom starts showing. Despite that, it is still phenomenal, and most people will not require a top-quality still image at 28x anyway. Yet if you need to explore something you captured by accident or want to see wildlife close-up, this is the drone for you. If you had 28x hybrid zoom, would you utilize everything for professional shots? Some might say it is a mere accessory than a necessity. What do you agree with? Please share with us in the comments below. Number 1. New Hasselblad camera. Most consumers who buy DJI drones do so for their image quality. Therefore, DJI has put much effort and thought into the new camera module. The primary camera features a professional-grade 4:3 CMOS sensor. It also has a 24mm prime lens with an 84 degrees field of view. You can shoot 12-bit RAW format and other shooting options. The standard version captures video in 5.1K at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 FPS. The Cine version shoots Apple Pro Res 422 HQ. All photography heads know how vital this is for professional cinematographers. For downloads, it features a 1 TB SSD. and a 10 Gbps Lightspeed data cable for fast downloads. Moreover, the camera is identical on both the standard and SID models, proving its importance to the brand. Lastly, you are welcome to adjust from f2.8 through to f11 manually. It offers a native dynamic range of 12.8 stops. We can go on all day. Nevertheless, if we have not convinced you that DJI Mavic 3 Best Drone 2022 is the one for you, then there is no other way to sell it. If you are looking for another video to help you solidify your choice, watch this one, where we compare the DJI Mavic 3 with another excellent drone. Here is DJI Mavic 3 versus Skydio to comparison. Which one should you pick?